Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance and exploring 7 essential rules that can set you on the path to financial success. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your finances to the next level, these tips can help you build a secure and prosperous future. 1. Know where your money goes. Unlocking financial freedom starts with awareness. Imagine yourself grabbing the reins of your finances. The first step is understanding exactly where your money goes. To achieve this, commit to tracking both your income and expenses for a full month. This financial snapshot will act as a roadmap, revealing your spending habits in vivid detail. Every penny you earn and spend will be laid bare. Don't be discouraged by the process. There are a multitude of user-friendly tools at your disposal. Budgeting apps and spreadsheets can be your secret weapon in this financial quest. These handy resources streamline the tracking process, making it a breeze to record your income and expenses. The true power lies in the analysis. Once you have a clear picture of your spending patterns, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions. You'll identify areas where you can potentially cut back on unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved strengthens your financial foundation and brings you closer to achieving your savings goals. So, take charge and embark on this journey of financial self-discovery. By understanding where your money goes, you'll be well on your way to building a brighter financial future. 2. Pay yourself first. Building financial security involves treating savings like a bill. Imagine setting up automatic transfers to move money to your savings account each month, prioritizing it before you spend anything else. Think of it as paying yourself first. This ensures a consistent and important contribution to your savings goals. A good starting point is to aim for a savings rate of 10% of your income. This chunk of money automatically gets routed away, making it less tempting to spend. If possible, strive for an even higher rate of 15 to 20%. The more you save up front, the faster you'll accumulate funds and achieve your financial dreams. 3. Live below your means. The key to financial freedom? Spend less than you make. It's a simple concept, but it can be surprisingly difficult. Avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation, where rising income leads to ever-increasing spending. Just because you have more money doesn't mean you need to spend it all. Master the art of distinguishing between wants and needs. A fancy coffee every day might be a want, while groceries are definitely a need. By prioritizing needs and being mindful of wants, you'll free up extra cash to save and reach your financial goals faster. 4. Invest for the future. Growing your wealth isn't magic, it's investing. Putting your money to work over time allows it to multiply. Dive into the world of investment options. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all on the table. Each has its own risk level and growth potential, so it's important to understand your comfort zone with risk. Are you all about chasing high returns, even if it means facing a bumpier ride? Or do you prefer a steadier course with more predictable but potentially lower growth? Your risk tolerance is key in choosing the right investments. Don't go it alone if you're new to investing. Robo-advisors are like digital financial advisors, helping you build a diversified portfolio, a mix of investments that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. They can be a great way to get started and have your money working for you. 5. Tame your debt with sky-high interest rates can be a financial black hole, sucking away your hard-earned cash. Taming this beast is crucial for financial well-being. Make high-interest debt, like credit cards, your top priority for elimination. Several debt repayment strategies can help you conquer this challenge. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, giving you quick wins and motivation. The avalanche method tackles debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you the most money in the long run. Choose the approach that best suits your situation and temperament. The key is consistency. Stick to your chosen repayment plan, chipping away at your debt each month. As you see your balances decrease, the momentum will build, propelling you closer to financial freedom. Remember, you can do this. 6. Build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, and an emergency fund can be your financial catcher's mitt. This safety net will shield you from unexpected events, like a car repair or medical bill, preventing you from falling into debt. Aim to save 6 months of your living expenses in your emergency fund. Think of it as a financial buffer zone, protecting you during unforeseen circumstances. Building this financial cushion takes time and discipline, but it's well worth the effort. Every penny saved strengthens your emergency fund and your peace of mind. Unexpected events become less stressful when you have a readily available pot of money to cover them. So, Prioritize building your emergency fund and ensure you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. 7. Educate yourself continuously. The key to financial mastery? Never stop learning. Financial literacy empowers you to make smart decisions with your money. The good news is there's a treasure trove of resources at your fingertips. Books, articles, and online courses, all waiting to equip you with financial knowledge. Dive into these resources and expand your understanding of personal finance. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Think of yourself as a financial detective, gathering clues and piecing together the puzzle of your financial future. Seek guidance from qualified professionals if you need more in-depth advice. A financial advisor can be your partner in navigating complex financial decisions, helping you chart a course towards your financial goals. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Embrace continuous learning, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial security and living your dreams. So stay curious, keep asking questions, and watch your financial knowledge blossom. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. By following these 7 money rules and staying committed to your goals, you can achieve financial security and peace of mind. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips.